In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your social media platforms into your CRM system. So right here, we're looking at Instagram, and Instagram is the front-end application that will gather the details of your potential client, will get as much information as you require in order to personalize the experience that that client has when they engage with your property. So right here, all it's taking is the client's name, their email address, the category of that client, and that information will be used to populate other CRM systems behind the scenes. But the key and crucial thing is that the AI solution is helping you personalize the experience, create documents that would apply to that particular user, and those are the benefits of what AI would do. And the report that is created that would add value to your client is created automatically using OpenAI and different AI models. So once that information has been collected from Instagram, it then triggers some automation in the background, and the different things that happen can be seen on the screen. So we contact ChatGPT to generate some of the information that we need. We build some reports in the background, and then we update Slack to notify you that there's new information that's come in. And as part of this solution, the CRM we're using is Airtable, and that's it right here. Once the information is gathered from Instagram, our CRM is updated. Right here, you can see the leads list has been updated right here to talk about Los Angeles, and confirms that the person that completed the form will be moving within 3 to 6 months. So that's in the CRM. And then I mentioned earlier about the report that's generated as part of this entire process. And when that report is generated, it's attached to the draft folder for your email system. And the purpose for that is to make sure that you review the information that has been generated by ChatGPT. You read the report, make sure you're happy with the report. Let's see what the report looks like. This is generated automatically for you by the AI solution. Okay, so it's prepared a first-time buyer report for the client that completed the form on your Instagram page, and it talks about the area that the person is interested in. If you recall, he selected Los Angeles, so this report is specific to Los Angeles and provides all of the useful information on the buyer process. So as soon as the client comes on your page, you're already providing value, and that value is being distributed to the user automatically. So the key thing is there needs to be a person in the middle just to make sure that what's been generated is accurate. And as you can see, the email address that we put in Instagram is exactly what's being sent here as a destination. So we talked about the CRM. The other piece, which is very, very crucial, is the aspect that talks about the personalization of information, the nurturing of your leads, and doing all of those steps automatically. So in our case, we have a MailChimp endpoint, and within MailChimp, this user has been added to MailChimp and is part of one of the audiences. And because they're part of one of the audiences, you can then target messages to specific audience members. So we've got this new audience member with the email address I was provided via Instagram. They selected that their age range was 31 to 45, and they moved within 3 months. So with these tags, you can then create campaigns that will go out to all of your users or all of your clients that will be moving within the next 3 to 6 months for a particular property. You can send them information as relevant to them. Let's have a look at the contacts. There you go. So there's a contact. You can then target this particular user with your campaign that's specific to their age group, and every report that you send out to them will be relevant and personalized. So that's it for this process of onboarding your leads and getting your leads into your CRM system and maintaining contact with them so that when they're prepared to move, you are front of mind and you're the first person that they will contact.